the GoPro with me today, but I do have, well, yesterday's video was a little different. So I'm going to bring you a real video. It's not actually complete, but I am going to show you a handful of bricks. I put so much into this work, so you can show your support by subscribing and liking, and let's get on with the video. So, right here is probably one of my favorite parts. This is the lazy river that goes around the splash pad. Really proud of that, but let's get to the splash pad first. So, here we have right here the ladder that goes up there, and we have this little water scope thing that you can shoot water out of. And you see that little hole, you go through there, there's a bridge and a water slide right there. Here is my lifeguard stand. There is a ladder behind it going in there. Really, really nice. I really like that one. And now let's move on to Lazy River. So, we have, I don't know how I found these, but these 3 posts that are all the same color, and I found all the same little big yellow pieces. So that's actually really, really nice. Yeah, this is just the Lazy River going all around. Now you guys are going to say, where's the entrance to this place? Well, Billy doesn't know. And yes, that's his name. Laugh at yourself. But I don't know how to make this entrance. I wish you guys could tell me, you Lego experts out there. Because right now I'm making this that's going to have stairs, like right here. Right there. Going up and then down right here. So yeah, I'm working on that now. But I'm really liking this tree stump idea, and yeah, I hope you guys do as well. And that's also basically the video. So if you guys did like it, and this horrible rainy day, make sure you smash the like button. And that would be the easiest way to show your support, and subscribe so you don't miss any likely content. Anyway, go subscribe to Simone Houston also. Over there at my friend Jack's channel. Go check him out. His sister just made a new video, and it's cringy. Anyway, other than that, oh yeah, one more thing. The coral bucket dump. I love that. I'm not gonna show you the bending function yet. I'll show you that in the official tour, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to Simone Houston, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.